All eyes are on this coastal low pressure system that will be lasting tonight through Tuesday morning. It's a pretty long duration event, but the impact should be peaking on Sunday. Our greatest concern, bar none, is going to be not only the potential for coastal flooding, but significant coastal flooding, very rough surf, and beach erosion are all on the table with this storm. We could see wind gusts between 30 and potentially up to 50 miles per hour, the higher end of the wind gusts closer to the coastline, and waves of showers and rainfall. Likely the higher totals further east and less rain totals the further west you go. The marine forecast is about as bad as it can get. I mean, we got a storm warning for the Atlantic Ocean and the Delaware Bay, and we got a gale warning for the Chesapeake Bay, a wind advisory for Sussex County and Worcester County for potential gusts over 40 miles per hour along the immediate coast of said counties, a high wind warning for gusts over 50 miles per hour, and that includes all of Accomack County as well. And we've got coastal flood warnings for the entirety of eastern Delmarva due to the potential for that flooding for the next couple of high tide cycles. That lasts until through Sunday night, I should say. So our coastal low pressure system is getting its act together off the North Carolina coast, and we got a little bit of mid-level energy that's going to help feed some energy into this parent low pressure system to our south. We already have a few showers in progress across the peninsula, and that's only going to become more widespread going into tomorrow, leading to a day that will feature waves or showers capable of the occasional downpour at times. And that weather is pretty much going to be the same into Monday with mostly cloudy skies and waves or showers capable of that brief heavy downpour at times as our winds turn to a more north and northwesterly direction. I really like this depiction for the rainfall forecast. The higher totals will be further towards the east, closer to the coastline, potential for 1 to 2 inches of rain east of U.S. Route 13, and then lesser amounts the further west and northwest to go, with rainfall totals likely under an inch by the mid and upper shore of Delmarva. In terms of the wind gusts, they are going to be pretty feisty along the immediate coastline. Gusts over 50 miles per hour will be possible. Elsewhere across the interior, likely looking at gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour and potentially occasionally up to 45 miles per hour. And the winds will remain active going into Monday out of the north and northwest this time, but probably not as windy as what we will be seeing on Sunday, but still a fairly breezy day. The waves are going to be an issue, crashing onto the shoreline. 10 to 15 footers will be possible, and that's going to cause some beach erosion very likely. And just offshore, we're talking about waves over 15 feet. So all these combining factors, along with the fact that we have the king tide this weekend, it's going to prove to be an issue with the coastal flooding. Borderline major flooding will be possible for the Delaware coastline and the back bays as well, which includes the Indian River Bay and the Rehoboth Bay. Moderate coastal flooding is expected for points south, so basically coastal Worcester County into Accomack County. For the Bayside, mainly just mid, or I should say minor tidal flooding for the mid to late p.m. hours tomorrow in the points north. Not really expecting any flooding issues. So a pretty feisty storm is on the way, but conditions gradually improve into Wednesday. We'll get more sunshine into the mix on Wednesday with the vast cool down by the time we get to the end of the week. Check that out. Highs in the low 60s, lows potentially into the 30s with an abundance of sunshine.